Hello friends, my name is Vipul. Currently, I am working with JP Morgan Chase as a team leader. I have seen in social media and also heard from my colleagues, my friends, that artificial intelligence will replace the job in the future. So my answer is yes, it will replace the job in the future. But what kind of job will be replaced? So my answer is administrative task kinds of work will be replaced by artificial intelligence and machine learning. I will give you one example. There was a man who's staying in a village, and he has a work or a job to give water to the houses and get money from it. What he does in the morning, every time he wake up early in the morning by 4 a.m. What he does, he take a gallon bucket from his home, and take that gallon and bucket from his home and go to the river, fill the gallon bucket, come back to their village. I think the river is around 3 to 4 kilometers away from the village. He fill the bucket from and keep that bucket into his head or some bull cart, and come back to the village and deliver that water to the respective houses, and in return he gets money from that houses. Likewise, he do strengthen work, manual tasks for around 4 to 5 hours a day, and in return he gets a certain amounts from which he is able to living their livelihood. And there, so likewise that is happening, and people are also like, "ठीक है, it's okay." But one day, a smart guy came. Nowadays, people are talking about machine learning and artificial intelligence. It is similar like a smart people. When a smart guy come like me, he comes in the village. He saw a guy who wake up early in the morning, fill the bucket from the river, and manually transferring that bucket to the respective houses and getting money from it. What if I can do if I can do a automation for it? What he did, he just expend some amount of money. He placed a pipes in the village, and that pipes will get connected to the river directly. So he placed the pipe around for 3 kilometers, and he fit the big motor in the river. So and electricity is also been plugged in, and after when moment he switched on the plug, motor get starts. When the motor get starts, water gets squeezed from the river, and it get poured out into the village, and people just simply started bringing their buckets and started filling their bucket and getting that water from the null, and they go ahead to their house and enjoying the water for their restroom, for their bathing, for their cooking, for their bathing, whatever the purpose they are using it, and the water comes from the river. So actually what is happening here, that that particular person is using his brain, and afterward what happening, he made some certain efforts to make it automations. But after the automation, what happening, life of the automator and the life of the people who are staying in the village, all the life of the people and the staying and the operator will be very lucid, very easy. And how it is happening? It's happening because he used his brain and he automated the process. And because he has automated the process, that's why his business become very successful, top class successful. So, and again, and the person who was doing administrative and manual tasks, just taking this bucket, going to the river and filling the bucket and coming back and giving that bucket to somebody and getting money, his job get replaced. Nobody taking his water from him, and his job has gone. So this kind of administrative tasks will definitely get replaced. What kind of job will not be get replaced? The job of manager, the job of presentator, the job of well communicator. So even automation can structure the data, analyze the data very easily just by 1 or 2 clicks. But the presentations of the data, analyzed of the data, that can only be happen when somebody come in front and give that lucid explanations and very eligible presentation in front of management. Management will not be able to understand the data and the structure and the information. They are not bothered about it. They just bothered about what is the outcome from it. What is the outcome from it? What need to be done to make the process more viable, more efficient, more technically informed, and all these things. It is happening only when you do it something very tangible, very elegantly. So that's why I'm saying to you. build it like that, working like that, you will be successful. So improve your communication skills, improve your analytical skills, improve your managerial skills, improve your networking skills. I think that will work. That make your life simple, easy, and viable and feasible. Hope that works. If you like that my video, then please do hit a like and subscribe my channel. And like that, I'll continue making the video on the automations in the job interviews. What is the life of the corporate? How people are dealing daily problem in the corporate life. Because I have experience of around 12 years in the corporate life. All the insights I will definitely share in this YouTube videos in this channel. So that's why please subscribe my channels and be in touch. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care.